Watch this. How much revenue do we collect this month? And Claude answers with real numbers straight out of Stripe. Now watch this one. Create a payment link for a $500 deposit. There's the link. Real, live, ready to send to a client. By the end of this video, your Claude will do this too. And this is the easiest connection in this whole series. 2 minutes, no code. If your business runs on Stripe, your money already has a dashboard. But be honest, how often do you actually open it? Failed payments slip by, revenue questions wait until later, disputes sit unnoticed. Connecting Claude changes that. You ask about your money in plain English, revenue, subscriptions, failed charges, your best customers, and you get answers in plain English. And it goes further. Claude can act, payment links, refunds, right from the chat. Your money, finally on speaking terms with you. 2 things, that's it this time. A Stripe account and Claude, the desktop app, or even just Claude in your browser. No terminal, no API keys, no files to download. Stripe runs this connector themselves. It's official. Let me show you. Here's the whole setup. In Claude, Settings, Connectors, and click Browse Connectors. Search for Stripe. This one, with the check mark. Built by Stripe itself. Click Connect. A browser tab opens, and you sign in to Stripe like you always do. Now, this screen is the important one. Stripe asks exactly what Claude is allowed to touch. First, pick the account. And here's a pro tip. If you have a sandbox, connect that first and try everything risk-free. I'm doing exactly that. Then permissions. None. Read or write for everything at once, or category by category. If you just want insights, set it all to read. Claude can look but can't move a dollar. Click Authorize. It bounces you back to Claude. And that's it. That was the entire install. Quick handshake. Ask, what Stripe account am I connected to? There it is, connected. Now ask your money anything. How much revenue did we collect this month? Break it down by product. Real totals, by product in seconds. Who are our top 5 customers by total spend? How many active subscriptions do we have? And what's our monthly recurring revenue? Now the one that pays for itself. Do we have any failed payments? Who are they from? There they are, the charges that quietly slip through. Most businesses find these weeks later. You just found them in one sentence. And try this. Anything unusual I should look at? Now, it found a dispute. That's money on the line. Surfaced before you went looking. Now let's make money move the other way. Create a payment link for a $500 consulting deposit. Done. That's a real Stripe payment link. Click it, and there's the checkout page, card field and all. You just invoice someone from a chat window. Send it to a client, drop it in an email. It's live. And here's where this series starts to compound. Remember those failed payments? Watch this. Draft a polite payment retry email for each customer with a failed payment, and show me before sending anything. Stripe found them. Claude wrote them. And our SendGrid connector from video 1 sends them. 2 connectors working together, recovering revenue while you watch. This is where it stops being a toy. 4 things before you go do this. 1. The permissions are yours. Read only is a real choice on that authorized screen, and you can revoke the whole connection anytime in your Stripe settings. 2. Got a sandbox? Connect it first. Test everything where money isn't real. 3. Some of these tools move real money. Refunds, payment links. Always have Claude show you before it acts. You are the approval step. Keep it that way. And 4. Claude sees what you can see. Treat this connection like dashboard access, because that's what it is. So that's Claude plus Stripe. 2 minutes of setup, and your revenue answers questions now. And this is just the beginning. In this series, we've connected email, analytics, now payments, one tool at a time, step by step. If you're watching this and thinking, I want all of this working together in my business, but I don't have the time to wire it up, that's literally what we do. We're a software development agency. Custom software, AI automations, full platforms. If you can describe it, we can build it. There's a contact link right below in the description. Reach out, tell us what you're trying to build, and we'll be happy to help out. More connections are coming. Subscribe so you don't miss them.